Yuva Nidhi scheme was launched by which state government? 12 Jan 2024, Karnataka government. What is the aim of Pradhan Mantri Suryodaya Yojana announced recently 22nd Jan 2024, installing solar power system on 1 crore houses? The Ministry of Home Affairs approved the formation of 1st Women Battalion in which force? 12 November 2024, Central Industrial Security Force CISF. The Home Ministry approved the formation of the 1st Women's Battalion in Central Industrial Security Force CISF. NTPC Limited partnered with Indian Army to set up October 24, 2024. NTPC Limited partnered with Indian Army to set up a solar hydrogen based microgrid in Ladakh. A solar hydrogen based microgrid in Ladakh. Which company was recently added as a member of the International Copper Association? Hindalco Industries Limited, 24 October 2024. Hindalco Industries Limited was the company that is recently added as the member of the International Copper Association, who announced an investment in Dharma production through Serene production. Adar Poonawalla. Adar Poonawalla announced an investment in Dharma production through Serene production. October 21st, 2024. In which state was the two-page copper plate inscription discovered at the Sri Singeshwar Temple, Tamil Nadu, October 2024? October 2024, the Tamil Nadu state was where was the state of Tamil Nadu? In the state of Tamil Nadu, a two-page copper plate inscription discovered at the Sri Singeshwar Temple. Which crops PR 126 variety became the center of the controversy among Punjab's farmers? October 2024, rice or paddy? Which ancient temple restoration led to the discovery of the 13th century inscription? October 2024, Kaleshwara Temple, Karnataka. Which national park became India's second butterfly diversity center? October 2024, Kaziranga National Park, Assam. Which state announced the establishment of a Karakal Breeding and Conservation Center? Gujarat, October 2024. Karakal Breeding and Conservation Center, Gujarat, 2024 October. Where was the first international conference on holistic Ayurveda, Aroha 2024 held? October 17 to 19, 2024, All India Institute of Ayurveda, New Delhi. Holistic Ayurveda, Aroha 2024, first international conference was held at New Delhi, All India Institute of Ayurveda. The government company will manufacture India's first indigenously made bullet train, October 2024, BEML Limited. Which initiative was launched by Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu for drug de-addiction? October 6, 2024, Sankalp. Sankalp initiative was launched by Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu for drug de-addiction. Drug de-addiction. 8th India Water Week IWW 2024 was held at which place recently, September 17 to 20, 2024? Bharat Mandapam at New Delhi. Which city has secured first position in the Swachh Vayu Sarvekshan SVS 2024 in population over 10 lakh category? 7 September 2024, Surat followed by Jabalpur and Agra. Surat followed by Jabalpur and Agra. A South Indian Adivasi knowledge center called Kanu was launched in which state? 25th August 2024, Tribal Health Resource Center THRC at BR Hills, Karnataka. First Policy Makers Forum inaugurated in New Delhi by Union Minister JP Nadda was held during August 19 to 22, 2024. Which village has become first solar village in the Maharashtra? August 2024. The Manyachivadi village in the Patan Taluka of Satara district. Patan Taluka of the Satara district, that is Manyachivadi village, become the first solar village in Maharashtra. August 2024. Which department has recently released drafts rule to operationalize the Digital Bharat Nidhi, July 4, 2024, the Department of Telecommunication (DOT). Which institution launched Sampurnata Abhiyan, 4 July 2024, Niti Aayog? Which government department has released beta version of DZ PIN, Department of Post, Government of India, 19 July 2024? Which ministry has launched the Safai Apnao Bimari Bhagao initiative recently, June 2024? Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Which ministry launched the National Stop Diarrhea Campaign 2024? 24 June 2024, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. AIM ICDK Water Challenge 4.0 was launched by which institution? 10th June 2024, Niti Aayog Atal Innovation Mission along with Innovation Center Denmark ICDK. AIM ICDK Water Challenge 4.0 launched by Niti Aayog Atal Innovation Mission along with Innovation Center Denmark ICDK. The Department of School Education, Ministry of Education, Government of India signed an MOU with which institution to develop an institutional framework for Rashtriya E-Pustakalaya? National Framework for Rashtriya E-Pustakalaya, 3rd June 2024, National Book Trust under the aegis of Department of Higher Education and Ministry of Education. The Department of School Education, Ministry of Education, Government of India signed an MOU with which institution to develop an institutional framework for Rashtriya E-Pustakalaya, June 3, 2024, National Book Trust under the aegis of the Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education. Who organized the Run for Sun Marathon? Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, MNRE, Government of India, 3rd May 2024. India Skill Competition 2024, the country's biggest skilling program, was held at which place? May 2024, Yashobhumi, Dwarika, New Delhi. Pravaha Portal was launched by which institution? 28 May 2024, Reserve Bank of India launched the Pravaha Portal. Who unveiled the Pradhan Mantri Samajik Utthan and Rozgar Adharit Jan Kalyan? PM Suraj National Portal Online. PM Narendra Modi launched or unveiled the Pradhan Mantri Samajik Utthan and Rozgar Adharit Jan Kalyan PM Suraj National Online Portal, 13th March 2024. PM Narendra Modi participated in which program at Indian Agriculture Research Institute, Pusa, New Delhi, 11 March 2024. Shashakt Nari Viksit Bharat Program. Who launched the Jal Shakti Abhiyan Catch the Rain 2024, 9th March 2024? The then Union Minister of Jal Shakti Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Theme of the 2024 event, Nari Shakti se Jal Shakti. At which place India's first underwater metro section was unveiled? March 6, 2024, Kolkata. Poshan Pakhwada 2024 was organized from which date to which date? 9th March to 23rd March 2024. Poshan Pakhwada, 9th March to 23rd March 2024. Poshan Pakhwada 2.0. Poshan Pakhwada 2024. At which place National Horticulture Fair 2024 was organized? March 5 to 7, 2024. ICAR, Indian Institute of Horticulture Research, IIHR, Bangalore, Karnataka. The theme of the event was Next Gen Technology Led Horticulture for Sustainable Development, which is the first clock based on Indian Panchang that was inaugurated by PM Narendra Modi. Vikramaditya Vedic Clock, 29 Feb 2024. Who launched logo and website for the Alliance for Global Good, Gender Equity and Equality? 26 Feb 2024. Smriti Zubin Irani, the then Union Minister of Women and Child Development and Minority Affairs, Government of India. Which Global Textile Expo was inaugurated by PM Modi? 26 Feb 2024. Bharat Tex 2024. Who was the state partner in the event? Uttar Pradesh. Which ministry announced organization of the 12th Uttar Purvi Mahotsav? 12th Uttar Purvi Mahotsav 2024, 15 to 17 November 2024, Ministry of Development of Northeast Region. The first meeting of Inland Waterways Developed Council IWDC was held at which place? 8 January 2024, Kolkata, West Bengal. Which ministry has launched the MP-led e-Sakshi mobile application? 16 Jan 2024, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, MOSPI. Who was the chief guest at the Republic Day Parade at New Delhi in 2024, 26 January 2024? French President Emmanuel Macron. Where was the All India Criminology Conference of National Forensic Science University NFSU held? 23rd January 2024, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Which report indicated a decline in India's academic freedom index, October 8, 2024? Free to Think 2024. According to CEEW's report, which states have been placed on the top two in water management? 12 March 2024, Haryana and Karnataka. Full form of CEEW: Council on Energy, Environment and Water. Council on Energy, Environment and Water, CEEW. Who inaugurated National Cooperative Database 2023 in New Delhi, 8th March 2024? Union Home Minister and Minister of Cooperation Amit Shah inaugurated National Cooperative Database 2023 at New Delhi. The 286 Law Commission report was recommended for creating an epidemic plan and standard operating procedure SOPs to address future epidemics. 7 Feb 2024. The 286th Law Commission report has recommended for creating an epidemic plan and standard operating procedure SOPs to address future epidemics. 7th Feb 2024. The Law Commission of India has submitted which report to the government? 2nd Feb 2024. Revisiting the law on prevention of damage to public property. Revisiting the law on prevention of damage to public property. Finances of the Panchayati Raj Institution PRI's report is released by which institution? 24th Jan 2024, RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Finances of Panchayati Raj Institution PRI report. Where was the 7th session of the International Solar Alliance ISA held? 3 to 6 November 2024, New Delhi. Where was the digital population clock inaugurated? Bengaluru, November 2024. Digital population clock, Bengaluru, November 2024. Which destination was found to be the most popular among Indian travelers for 2025 according to the Skycanner's annual travel trends report, October 2024? Shillong, Meghalaya. How many categories were there for the 5th National Water Award 2023 announced by the President Draupadi Murmu, October 22, 2024? 9 categories. 9 categories were there for the 5th National Water Awards 2023 announced by President Draupadi Murmu, 22nd October 2024. Where was the International Methanol Seminar and Expo 2024 held? October 17 to 18, 2024 at New Delhi. At New Delhi, the International Methanol Seminar and Expo 2024 was held October 17-18, 2024. Who inaugurated the 8th edition of the India Mobile Congress 2024, October 15, 2024? India Mobile Congress 2024 8th edition, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated. PM Modi inaugurated. Where was the first language-based Hindi Literature Museum planned to be established? Varanasi, Kashi, October 2024. Hindi Literature Museum. First language-based Hindi Literature Museum, Varanasi, Kashi. Where was the 2nd century BCE Brahmi inscription found? October 10, 2024. Pal Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. 2nd century BCE Brahmi inscription found. Pal Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. Who unveiled the new multicolor logo for Mahakumbh 2025 in Prayagraj? Yogi Adityanath, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, October 6, 2024. The President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, inaugurated the first edition of Bharati Kala Mahotsav at which place? September 28, 2024, Rashtrapati Nilayam, Sikandrabad. The Goa Maritime Symposium (GMS) 2024 was hosted by which organization? 23rd to 24 September 2024. Indian Navy. Indian Navy is the organization which hosted the Goa Maritime Symposium 2024, GMS 2024. What is the new name announced for Pune Airport September 2024, 23rd September 2024? New name of the Pune Airport, Jagat Guru Sant Tukaram Maharaj Airport. Jagat Guru Sant Tukaram Maharaj Airport is Pune Airport. At which place in India first silicon carbide factory to be established? 6 September 2024, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. 19th edition of Divya Kala Mela was inaugurated at which place? Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, Vizag, Andhra Pradesh. 19 August 2024. The President of India inaugurated the Vishwa Shanti Buddha Vihar in which district of Maharashtra? Latur district, 4 September 2024. Thank you very much.